Wow, great question, friend. How does the night sky spin in time lapses if we're on a flat disk? Well, first of all, we're not on a disk in space. I've kind of went over that in my other videos. No flat earther believes that. But why the stars spin in a circular motion is because the stars are actually fixed in the firmament. That's why. And Polaris is fixed in the exact same location right there, hasn't moved for centuries. Because it's fixed in the firmament, not because we're chasing the sun at 500,000 miles an hour, orbiting it at 66,616 miles an hour, spinning 1,000 miles per hour, while on a tilt of an axis. If we were tilted at all, that wouldn't be possible. And you may be like, well, if it's that easy, man, then why isn't everyone a flat earther? But they'll tell you that the stars are so far away that's why they don't move from their fixed positions, meaning the Big Dipper in its position, the Little Dipper, Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, all these constellations staying in the same shape, doing this. It's because they're so far away, and this is happening because the Earth is spinning 1,000 miles an hour, but we're not seeing any of the other relative motions, apparently. Wouldn't it be like Star Wars? If we were going 500,000 miles an hour through a space vacuum? But the quickest way to find out that the stars aren't quadrillions of miles away is to just look at the inverse square law of light. Every time you double the distance of a luminary or something creating light, it becomes a fourth of the brightness. You think we're seeing stars quadrillions, billions of miles away? No, light doesn't travel forever, man. Meteor showers, meteors, more like this. This is a wire-wrapped ball. Have you ever seen a cigarette lighter in a car, what it looks like when it's heated up? Imagine that this is wrapped in that type of material. They're dropping it out of planes, and they have fireworks in it that are shooting out the bottom side of it, creating the trails behind it. Yeah. And also, not only are these things kind of being found all over the place, and here's the hole at the bottom to allow for the trail. But if up and down isn't relative and we are on a ball, how come we don't see meteor showers or meteors come from the bottom of the horizon up? If you think that the Earth is a ball, they done got you, buddy. This is just how perspective works. You should have took an art class. By the way, the only thing that's been to space, your imagination. These spacewalks that they're doing, yeah, not good, guys. An exact replica in the Neutral Buoyancy Lab that NASA admits to own. Go look at it on their website. Just search Neutral Buoyancy Lab on their website. Yeah, that's where they do all these. But if you want more truth content like this, make sure you're following me. And check out my link tree in my bio. It's got my podcast, Instagram, Telegram, everything you could possibly need.